All right, guys, got Ernie here. He's going to do a box of playoff football. Haven't busted one of these in a while, man. Good luck to you. Let's see what we got. Got it for a great price, too. Throw my total in with Brickus. I love it. All right, Ernie. Let's get it, buddy. Derek Carr, Thunder. Aaron Rodgers. Insert. CJ Mosley, that's numbered to 49. Derrick Henry, rookie in there. Tony Romo. Boss Hogs. Alright, you've got Old Tom Terrific and Urlacher, rookie class of 2000. It's numbered 14 of 49. Thunder Aaron Rodgers. Roethlisberger, Air Raid. Oh, nice. Dak Prescott, numbered to 199. Rookie. Sweet. Okay, okay. Just that one. Rashad Jennings to 199. Kind of tough to see the numbering on these. And we got a hit here. Jersey, Maurice Boringer, number to 149. And our last pack. Very nice. Rookie autograph to 199, Jared Goff. Number 1 overall pick. Sweet, man. And that'll do it. All right, Ernie. Very nice, man. Congratulations. I will get it out to you ASAP.